We have
Haley.
and your boy TJ with Titan GlossWorks here in Anacortes. All right, so we have this a beautiful RS6 with us today, and it came from out of town. He's got paint protection film and ceramic coating on here. So we are going to do a maintenance wash for him, and then interior. We're gonna just kind of run you through it. We don't get too many RS6s in the area coming to our shop, of course. So we're gonna make a little video out of it, and hope you enjoy. We've we finished doing the maintenance wash on it. Now it's time for us to dry it off and then do the interior thing. So stay tuned. All right, guys, just like that, we've finished the maintenance detail on this beautiful RS6. So we've done the maintenance wash on there. We went ahead and recoated whatever that was failing on this vehicle. And then we went ahead and steam cleaned the interior, leather shampoo and condition. The client didn't want anything shiny, so he supplied his own matte detail supply for interiors, and we went ahead and used that for all the mats and then the interior as well. So perfect. Everything looks killer.